In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to activate Klarna on Stripe, updated for 2025. We're going to walk through the process step by step, ensuring that you feel confident and ready to implement this on your own platform. So, let's dive right in. First things first, you want to begin by opening your preferred web browser and heading over to the Stripe website. Stripe is well known for providing a financial infrastructure that helps businesses grow their revenue. So if you're already set up with an account, you're in good hands. Once you're on the Stripe homepage, the next thing you'll need to do is sign in to your account. You'll typically find the Sign In button at the top right corner of the page. Clicking on this will take you to the login page where you can enter your credentials to access your dashboard. After successfully logging in, you'll find yourself at the Stripe Home dashboard. This is the central hub for managing your Stripe account, including all of your products and payment configurations. From here, you'll need to navigate to the Settings page. It's often represented by a gear icon, usually located in the menu on the left-hand side. Clicking this will direct you to the area where you can manage various aspects of your Stripe account. Once in Settings, look for the option called Product Settings. It may seem like a small step, but it's crucial for what we're about to do. Within Product Settings, you'll find options related to products, pricing, and payment methods. The next step is to click on Payments. This section of the dashboard controls all the transaction functionalities, including supported and active payment methods, so it's definitely a key area you want to familiarize yourself with. Now that you're in the Payments section, you should see a tab or a menu option labeled Payment Methods. Go ahead and click on that. This is where you can activate or deactivate various payment methods supported by Stripe. Scroll through the list of available payment methods until you see Klarna. Klarna is increasingly popular for allowing customers to shop now and pay later, a feature that could be quite advantageous for your business. Finally, once you've found Klarna, click on it. This action should reveal an option to activate or manage the payment method, giving you full control over its integration with your Stripe account. And there you have it. You've just walked through the entire process of activating Klarna on Stripe. In this updated guide for 2025, we've covered each step with clarity to help you set things up seamlessly. If you need any further help, don't hesitate to refer back to this guide or check out additional resources on the Stripe website. Thank you for watching, and I hope this has been informative and helpful for you. Stay tuned for more tutorials on optimizing your payment solutions.